Welcome to another presentation at the East Trade Winds, hosted by Bernie Franzgrote and Wayne Pratt. The presentation today is titled Unleash Authentic Video Testimonials. Our guest is Neil Carroll from Vidwheel Creator Network. Neil is the founder of Vidwheel LLC and the Vidwheel Creator Network, VCN, a community dedicated to empowering solopreneurs and small businesses to harness the power of video for growth and client engagement. After transitioning from a traditional video production agency to a consultancy, Neil now helps clients, from Japan to San Francisco, create impactful video content that builds trust and attracts ideal clients. Through VCN, he offers resources like the Camera Confidence course and a curated video studio in a box, providing entrepreneurs with the tools and community support to produce professional videos with ease. Neil's mission is to make video creation accessible, enabling business owners to multiply their impact and reach a global audience.
It's about testimonials. And my name's Neil, I'm founder of Vidwheel. And what we really focus on is creating impactful testimonial videos. The point there is to find those authentic success stories with your customers that drive trust, conversions, and we dig really deep to find additional insights in those interviews. So we're going to look today at the kind of hierarchy of testimonials. And this is what we'll look a little bit at, like why testimonials, that hierarchy, and then how you can make your own. So when you're considering why testimonials, I usually tell people to think of their own experience. Think back to the last time you bought something online, a spatula or a piece of kitchenware or something. Did you check the reviews? Maybe you even looked for a video review to see this thing in action. At very least, you probably looked up at the star rating of that piece of kitchenware. What you're looking for there is social proof. And social proof is really important because we all want to know if the marketing we're being sold is real, if the thing actually works. And that is the power behind testimonials when you really get down to it. So in this digitalized world, the age-old sales tactic of word of mouth has found its modern version, its modern counterpart in online testimonials. People look at these and rely on them for making purchases, whether that's the spatula or the $20,000 consulting package. You are going to be more likely to take those first steps when you get some social proof there. We'll dive a little bit deeper into the concept of social proof and kind of what works and what doesn't here in the hierarchy of testimonials section. The hierarchy of testimonials breaks down like this. Number one, you've got the anonymous testimonial. We've all seen these, some little quote that somebody puts up on the website. It's not attributed to anybody. I'm sure it says a nice thing about the business in question. Next up, you got the full name testimonial. So same kind of thing, little text block. You've got the name of the person who supposedly said that thing. You add a photo, it gets a little more credible. And then the top tier in terms of the hierarchy of testimonials is that video testimonial. Instead of just hearing it or reading it on screen, you've got a name, you've got a person, you've got their inflections and body language as they address the camera about this business or service. When we're talking about video testimonials, it's crucial to recognize that not all video testimonials are going to have the same impact. So first and foremost, a testimonial from your ideal client or a client that you want to get more of for your business is going to be the gold standard of testimonials. These are the video testimonials that'll resonate with other folks in your buying pool, that'll resonate with other people in your pool that you get a chance to talk to. Then what we'll talk about here is clear quality video that matches with the brand of your business. You want clean audio, you want good editing, you want videos that visually really match your brand. Those are really important. But the other piece that's super important for anything like this is the person on camera. The easy thing to do when you're getting a testimonial from a customer is that you might say, okay, I'm going to write you a script. I want you to say it to the camera. And people will try this, and you can usually spot those testimonials a mile away because the people come across as fake. They're not speaking in their own language. They're not comfortable on camera. They're not professional actors, so they're not used to script reading. It does not work. So it's all about creating an authentic experience. Conversations like we have in meetings like this one really work well for them. So trust factor, it's all about you can go really anonymous and vague with your testimonial up to someone who's got a little more dimension and is real. We'll talk a little more on what makes an effective testimonial here, and then I'll wrap it up. I think I still got time. Sorry, I'm chopping this up. So hopefully it's not too disjointed to get the kernels. The heart of creating a truly effective testimonial, though, is all about authenticity. Authenticity is the cornerstone. It builds trust. It creates a genuine connection with your audience. Viewers have become pretty good at spotting scripted content, as we talked about. And when they do, it doesn't just not convince them that you might be the right person, but it actually will compromise trust within your business. So you got to be careful not to put out the fake stuff. Instead, focus on genuine experiences and emotions that your clients had while dealing with your business, and let your clients speak in their own voice. To create a testimonial that really resonates, it's all about authenticity, less about the bells and whistles and even, say, the video production stuff. Another piece that's important, and this can vary a little depending on your platform, keep it focused, right? You don't want to have a testimonial kind of go all over and they're telling stories about their cat and so on. Keep it on point, especially if you're going on a social platform and you got a few seconds to really grab attention. You can save the longer form ones for when you're actually in conversation with somebody and they want all that depth. Again, as we talked about, show real people. This is probably a terrible slide because of that, because it's clearly not a real person. And next, once you've created some testimonial content, you got to share it everywhere. This is relatable content. This is going to help you kind of reach the people who are your ideal clients, and you need to put it out there on social media, put it on your company website. It can be in email newsletters. You can use it within sales conversations. I always recommend putting it into your email signature as well. So in short, use it everywhere. And there we go.
Unlock the full potential of networking with East Trade Wins. Are you eager to connect with our esteemed guest speaker and delve deeper into the ever-expanding universe of connections? Simply scan the QR code now and embark on a journey of endless opportunities. Join us at East Trade Wins, where we gather online via Zoom every Tuesday from 8 to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, you're welcome to connect with us. Seize the moment, register for free, and start exploring today. Fancy sharing your insights as a guest speaker? We're looking for you. Reach out to Wayne Pratt to ignite your speaking journey. Email him at wayne@motivateyou.ca or connect with Wayne on LinkedIn. Don't wait. Take action and be a part of a global community that's shaping the future of business networking.